Waving hand sign welcome to Tales by Pavitra. The CEO in disguise, a motivational corporate story in the heart of the tech industry, Technava, a once innovative company, was being destroyed from within by corruption and greed. Its CEO, Rohan, a visionary leader, sensed that something was wrong, but his board of directors, led by a group of power-hungry executives, dismissed his concerns. Determined to uncover the truth, Rohan made a daring decision. He disguised himself as a janitor to observe his company from the ground level. Dressed in a blue uniform, a cap, and worn-out sneakers, Rohan quietly integrated himself into the workforce. What he discovered was shocking: employees overworked, ideas stolen, and the management exploiting workers for profit. The company he built was no longer a place of innovation but a machine for greed. Among the employees, Aisha, a bright young woman, stood out. She had great ideas but was constantly ignored by her superiors. Another key figure was Mohan, a 25-year-old accountant who struggled under the weight of unethical financial dealings he was forced to hide. As Rohan cleaned the halls and listened to conversations, he learned that the board was planning a hostile takeover, intending to remove him as CEO and sell the company for personal gain. He knew he needed allies, so he approached Aisha and Mohan cautiously. Aisha, though skeptical at first, trusted the mysterious janitor's insights. Mohan, however, was torn. His job was on the line, and he feared retaliation. With Aisha's help, Rohan began gathering evidence of corruption, financial fraud, unethical firings, and secret dealings. But just when they were close to exposing the truth, Mohan betrayed them. Pressured by the corrupt executives, he handed over their findings. The next morning, Rohan's worst fears came true. His identity was exposed in front of the entire company. Security escorted him out as the board officially removed him as CEO, using false allegations to justify their actions. But Rohan wasn't done. Aisha refused to give up and contacted him in secret. Together, they planned a counterattack. Meanwhile, Mohan, feeling the weight of his betrayal, decided to make amends. He found a hidden backup of the financial fraud files and delivered it to Rohan. Armed with undeniable proof, Rohan and Aisha organized a surprise emergency shareholder meeting. As the evidence was revealed on a giant screen, gasps filled the room. The once powerful executives were caught red-handed. The mastermind behind the corruption, M.R. Sinha, tried to escape, but security stopped him. With the corrupt board members removed and arrested, Rohan was reinstated as CEO, but he wasn't interested in revenge. He was interested in rebuilding. Aisha was promoted to head of strategy, ensuring employees always had a voice. Mohan, forgiven for his past mistakes, was given another chance, proving that people can change when given the opportunity. Just when things seemed stable, a new challenge emerged. Hostile investors tried to take control of Technava, but this time, Rohan was ready. Using Technava's rising market value and public support, he crushed the takeover attempt, proving that leadership is about strategy, not just power. As he sat in his CEO office, gazing at the city skyline, he saw his reflection, not just as a CEO, but as the janitor he once was. His journey had come full circle. Success is not about status. It's about leadership, resilience, and staying true to your values. Moral of the story: electric light bulb success comes from humility and perseverance. True leaders understand the struggles of those below them and rise by lifting others. Fire the end. Glowing star. If this story inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tales by Pavitra. Speech balloon. What was your biggest takeaway? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts.